What's up mga lods? This is going to be a short video and I hope you will find this helpful. Today we are going to talk about how difficult it is to get to neutral after driving a while our Motobi, or pag uminit na ang makina, mahirap na pumasok sa neutral. This was my first issue with my Motobi. Does anybody have the same issue? Please comment down below mga lods, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Show some love naman dyan. Now, it is a known fact that if it's only a short drive, finding the neutral is not an issue. Like this for example. Ngayon ko lang to gagamitin today. Let's see if what I'm talking about is true or not. Let me stop right here and let me get it to neutral. That is one up, and I don't know if you could see that, but the neutral LED is on, so it is indeed true. Next, I will drive this for a few kilometers, just enough to reproduce the issue. Paiinitin muna natin yung makina mga lods. Eto na mga lods, after driving a while, mahirap na pumasok sa neutral. Pag hinto mo, galing sa first gear o primera, dumidiretso na sa segunda mga lods. At nakakainis ito lalo na pag nasa traffic ka or pag huminto ka. Ngayon mga lods, I will show you how to address this problem. No need for a repair. I just accidentally discovered these techniques. I know this can be fixed, and I will find a better mechanic to check on this. Some of our Motobis might already know this first technique, but for those who don't know yet, do this technique and let me know if it works for you or not. So here it is. Again, paghinto mo, syempre, primera, and then usog or bante ka lang ng konti. Then, papasok na si neutral. Yun. I would say 80 to 90% effective mga loads. Minsan, dumidiretso pa rin sa segunda pero mas madaling ibaba sa neutral. This technique mga loads is very useful when you are going to park and you need to readjust the angle. Here's a sample. Yun, abante lang ng konti at pumasok agad ang neutral. Now, the second technique mga lods I find the most useful pag hinto ka na sa traffic, just like this. So it is easy to find a neutral while the motorcycle is slowing down or are still in motion. let's try it one more time. Ganyan lang kasimple mga lods. Again, I hope you find this helpful and share this to your friends na my Motobi. That's it for me for now mga lods, and as always, drive safe and God bless.